Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. Ever wonder who actually follows the rules of the sea? Welcome to the foundation of maritime safety. Today we are diving deep into Part A, Rule 1 of the COLREGs, which is titled Application. This rule is the starting point because it tells us exactly where these rules apply and who must follow them. Think of Rule 1 as the jurisdictional boundary for every sailor on the planet. Paragraph A of Rule 1 states that these regulations apply to all vessels upon the high seas and in all waters connected therewith, navigable by seagoing vessels. This means if you are on the open ocean or in a bay or a river that a ship can reach from the sea, you are under the jurisdiction of the COLREGs. There is no escaping them once you leave the dock. But what about local rules in a specific harbor or port? Paragraph B addresses this clearly. It says that nothing in these rules shall interfere with the operation of special rules made by an appropriate authority for roadsteads, harbors, rivers, lakes, or inland waterways. This is why you might see slightly different lights or signals in a local port in New York or London. These local rules should match the international ones as closely as possible, but the local law takes precedence in those specific zones. Paragraph C covers special rules for warships and vessels in convoy. Governments can create special rules for the number or position of lights and shapes on naval ships. However, these must be designed so they cannot be mistaken for the standard lights and shapes found elsewhere in the COLREGs. If a Navy ship has a unique light configuration, it is still trying to communicate its status clearly to you. Paragraph D mentions traffic separation schemes. It confirms that the International Maritime Organization, or IMO, can adopt these schemes to help organize traffic in busy areas like the English Channel or the Malacca Strait. When you see those lanes on your chart, remember that Rule 1 gives them their legal teeth. Finally, paragraph E is about vessels of special construction. If a ship is built in a way that makes it impossible to follow the light or shape rules exactly like a massive submarine or a strange research vessel, the government can allow for a closest possible compliance. This ensures that even the weirdest-looking ships stay as safe as possible. In summary, Rule 1 is the umbrella. It ensures that whether you are on a massive tanker or a small yacht, everyone is playing by the same set of international standards to prevent disasters. Knowing Rule 1 means knowing that these rules are universal and mandatory for every mariner everywhere. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.